Hey there, I'm Benny. You know, the 2004 Cadillac DeVille hearse. Yeah, that's me. I'm not your average car, you see. I'm the mascot for the Erotic Heritage Museum right here in Las Vegas. Most days, I'm parked out front, greeting visitors with my shiny black finish and chrome details. But let me tell you, things are about to get really exciting around here. Halloween is coming, and boy am I ready for it. For the next 6 weeks, I'll be a star at all these Gothic and horror conventions. Can you believe it? Me, rubbing fenders with the spookiest and coolest crowd in town. I've always had a soft spot for the macabre. Comes with the territory of being a hearse, I suppose. But this is a whole new level of spooktacular.
Benny, darling, are you ready for your makeover?
Oh, that's Victoria, the museum director. She's got some big plans for me. Victoria, I was born ready. What have you got in store for me?
Well, Benny, we're going to make you the talk of the town. You're not just going to be a hearse, you're going to be a rolling piece of Halloween art.
I've got the purple lights for the undercarriage right here.
And that's Leesa, our development coordinator. She's got a Gothic style that's to die for. Purple lights? For me? Oh, this is going to be amazing. I can just imagine it now, cruising down the strip, my purple glow turning heads. People will be saying, "Who's that handsome devil of a hearse?"
That's not all, Benny. Wait until you see what we've got for your main attraction.
Main attraction? What do you mean?
Oh, we've got a special vampire coffin for you to carry.
A vampire coffin? Now we're talking. Tell me more.
It's got claw marks and everything. Even a carved out cross on the lid. We've made it look like the vampire inside tried to claw their way out.
Oh, I can feel my engine revving already. This is going to be the best Halloween ever.
You're going to be the star of every convention, Benny. People will be lining up just to take pictures with you. I can already see the excitement on their faces as you cruise by. And don't forget, Benny, you've got the best accessory a hearse could ask for, a genuine vampire coffin. It's like having a celebrity passenger.
I can hardly wait. Just imagine me, little old Benny, the belle of the Gothic ball. From museum mascot to Halloween icon, who would have thought? It's like I'm living in a dream. Well, you know what I mean.
Benny, you're not just a hearse. You're a work of art. The vampire community is going to adore you.
I guess sometimes even a hearse can have a second life. You know, I've carried my fair share of coffins in my time. But a vampire coffin, that's a first even for me. I wonder if the other hearses will be jealous. Probably. I mean, look at me. Purple underglow, vampire coffin, star of the horror conventions. I'm living the dream. Well, you know what I mean. And just look at how Vegas has dressed up for Halloween. It's like the whole city is celebrating with me. So if you're in Las Vegas this Halloween season, keep an eye out for me. If you see a purple glow cruising by, give a honk. It might just be me, Benny, living my best afterlife. Wow, I never knew being a hearse could be so much fun. I feel like a movie star. And who knows? Maybe I'll see you at one of the conventions. Until then, stay spooky, Las Vegas. This old hearse has found a new lease on life, and I'm going to enjoy every moment of it.